Hello friends, welcome to Swara Sweet Delights. Today's recipe is non-veg and it is restaurant style recipe. Today we'll be making chicken tikka kebabs, tandoori chicken tikka kebabs at home, and that too without tandoor or oven. We are going to make it on tawa, and the recipe is quite easy and simple, and the ingredients are also readily available. So let's begin. Here we have curd or yogurt. This is thick curd. Make sure to use thick curd and discard the water. Here is ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon. Then 1 tablespoon of regular cooking oil. You can also make use of ghee if you want. Salt for taste. Then a pinch of turmeric powder. Then here we have red chili powder, half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of cumin powder and half a teaspoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of tandoori masala. Now you can use any brand of tandoori masala. We get variety of brands in market. Right now I am using Everest tandoori chicken masala. Then here we have black pepper powder. This is again half a teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now we have to just take a bowl and we have to mix this all together. We have to make a paste out of it, a marination out of it, and we have to marinate our boneless chicken pieces, and we have to refrigerate it for minimum 2 hours, and maximum you can keep it overnight, which will give nice flavor to the chicken tikkas and they'll become nice and tender. You can see here after marination and keeping it in refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours, it looks like this. The maximum time you keep in fridge for marination, the chicken will become nice and tender and it will taste good. Now here I have few bamboo skewers, and this you can easily get into market. Here is a grill pan. This is non-stick grill pan, and today we are going to make this chicken tikka kebabs in this grill pan. You can also make use of normal non-stick pan. Now I'm just going to take one skewer and I'll just take one chicken piece and just I'm going to insert it. You can also put onions in between, onions and tomatoes or capsicum. On each skewer I'll be adding 4 to 5 pieces like this. We'll keep it in plate. Likewise we'll prepare the other skewers also. Our skewers are ready to go on the pan. Now today we are going to make this recipe very healthy. So I'm going to add very little oil. I'm just going to drizzle few drops. This is hardly a teaspoon of oil. I'll just increase the flame for 2 minutes so that oil will become nice and hot, and then I'll again reduce the flame. Now the pan is hot and now we will place skewers onto it. And here one thing we have to remember, the flame of the gas, we have to keep it on medium and not on high. It's been 5 minutes now and I'll just turn them on other side. You can see how nice they look. We'll just turn them again and we will fry them evenly on all sides. You can see nice grill mark. Now here our chicken tikka kebabs are ready. They are cooked perfectly and it takes 15 to 20 minutes on medium flame. And now you can serve them or you can smoke them. Now I'm just going to smoke them so that they'll taste like made in tandoor. Now I'm going to place this hot coal into the bowl, and on top of that I'm just going to add few drops of ghee. You can also add some oil if you wish, and you need to capture this smoke immediately. Cover this pan with a lid. Our tikkas are ready and we'll serve them hot. I just can't resist it because the smoke has completely filled my kitchen. And please quickly note down the ingredients and do subscribe my channel and do try out this recipe and let me know. I'll see you soon with few more interesting recipes. Till then, bye bye.